Hello and welcome everyone. Steve here with TradeForexForProfit.com. Today is Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. We're looking at the pound CAD on the 4-hour time frame. We've just completed a confluence of patterns here. Okay, so let's talk about that. This was a breakout right here. I'm looking right here, if you guys can see over to the left of the screen. This was a breakout candle. The market then pulls back and then springboards from that location. We consider this to still be a breakout line. That's explained in the members area. However, when we return to that level, this is in fact a retest of this breakout line. Okay, so this is a break retest slash stop hit of also of this push point. So it's kind of a confluence of signals here. However, the gist of it is that we are rejecting this low. We close just below this line, which is fine because we just won't use that as a target. And again, we talk about how you can determine whether this will be an actual target or not, but in this case it is not. Therefore it's a direct entry. The target is actually going to be this bounce high where the market fell from last. We want to just keep it below that, and which is what we did right here just by a default entry. And now you can see that again, I'm pointing out that 1, 2, 3, 4 periods, so that's 4 times 4, that's 16 hours that we have been beneath the original entry level. Okay, that gives you ample time to come back and oftentimes get better setups. Okay, so what I might recommend for those of you that, and I also recommend this in the members area, if you want to re-enter this, you missed the original trade, you can drop down to a lower time frame. And I'm sure, let me zoom in on this. If you drop down to a lower time frame, you're going to see that perhaps right here on the 15-minute there was a bullish signal or a bullish sentiment. Okay, and I'm sure you're going to see that was the case. Well, not here. As the market moved back up this way, maybe near the bottom. So maybe your entry is going to be down here and your take profit is now going to be right here. So you can drastically reduce the target by getting these better entries by dropping down to a lower time frame than the original pattern. And that's there's certain times that you want to do that and certain times that you don't. And again, we discussed that in the weekly review videos and so forth. Okay, so again, pound CAD break retest slash stop hit, just taken to the 2 times profit. That was a direct entry on this one. Welcome back everyone. It's now Wednesday, late morning, early afternoon, as the pound CAD has now moved through as expected, rebounded off of this this level and moved through to where it is beginning to stall out as we reach this overhead area of possible resistance. Notice as we move into this box, we're starting to see the wicks form. Okay, so and again, if we drop down to a lower time frame, you're really going to see how as we move into this area is up here now, you start getting these bearish candles. Okay, so what does that mean for us? Well, that means that that's where we want to be out of these trades. Okay, and depending upon how powerful of a signal it is with respect to what's around it, that's going to dictate how far we expect the market to push, either through the first target and on to the second target, or just fade out at the first target. And in this case, it was expected to fade out at the first target, so that's exactly what's happening now. We have triggered the 2 times profit target, and now whichever way it goes, we don't care because we're out of the market. So if it breaks through here and then we get some continuation, that's great. We'll try to get in a break check pattern there. If it breaks through this level and then fades, we get some kind of a sell signal here. Okay, then maybe we'll catch that stop hit off of there. That outer band is present, so a lot of possibilities moving into these levels. All right, and I don't want to be hung up in a trade off of a weak signal at a close by level. All right, so there you go. Questions, comments, concerns, I have an email link that you can go to there on the TradeForexForProfit.com site, which is down below, and you can ask me anything you want and I will get back to you. Okay, have a great rest of the week, and we'll hopefully see you guys on the members area soon.